Hello, Eric here, and today we're going to talk about how plants work.
Plants use sunlight in a process called photosynthesis to make sugars that they consume to be healthy and grow. In photosynthesis, light energy transfers electrons from water to carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrates, aka sugars. During this process, carbon dioxide, also known as CO2, receives electrons from H2O, also known as water, and oxygen is created as a byproduct.
Plants are works of art. They use all of the nutrients and water in the ground to produce all of the food that we eat. Different plants use different nutrients in the ground to grow big. In order for plants to grow big and to produce all of the fruits that they give us, they must first have the nutrients available in the soil. Plants need lots of those nutrients in order to grow properly. For instance, carrots, they need lots of potassium in order to grow properly so that the roots do not split. In order for squash to grow and function properly, it needs potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. On the other hand, green beans, behind me I have asparagus green beans. They need potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Also small amounts of calcium and iron. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you learned something awesome. This is only part 1, so make sure to stay tuned for part 2. In order to do that, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at EBLLCINC and on our Facebook page, Easton Banks Learning and Life Center. Thanks so much again, and see you guys next time. Bye.